Today we're going to be reviewing the UCEC craft scissors, and this scissors comes with 12 different cutting shapes. So we have our paper here and we're going to cut different shapes with the scissors. So you take yellow, and the scissors comes like this in 2 packs. So each of the pack has 6 scissors in it. So we have one like here, and I love how decorative it is. I love how colorful it is, and each of the design of the shape that the scissors cuts is on the scissors. So this one has a squiggly line. I can create other designs. I know you like pink.
Yeah, but this one is the one I wanted.
This is the one you want. Okay, so we're gonna get this one and we're gonna cut different shapes and create them. And I love the fact that with these scissors they have blunt mouth, so they're not gonna hurt the child, and they're so easy. Okay, you wanna cut? Okay, let's see how are you gonna cut. Let me see. It's so easy for them to hold. You see, it adjusts well to the child's hand and she can cut easily. So let's see how you're cutting. Awesome. So these scissors, they have 45 mm blades. So you like it? Is it cutting well? Okay, they're very safe to use, and even though they're sharp, you can see they have protected mouths so that it does not, even though it's sharp, you cannot get injured because the plastic actually covers the sharp area. So that is really cool. So we've cut some designs right here. Beautiful. We're gonna cut some more design. You can see she's using it, and she's only, how old are you, 4? Yeah, she's only 4 and she's able to use it very nicely. So let's see the design you cut. Let me see what you cut.
A rectangle.
Ooh, rectangle, and it has a lovely design, and the design matches. You can see the design matches the design on the scissors.